Hello everybody and welcome to Yippee Toys. Today we're going to be opening and reviewing this Barbie cash register. So let's go ahead and open the box and see everything we get inside. Okay, so now our box is open and we can see everything we get inside. So first let me show you this super cute Barbie credit card. There's a picture of Barbie on it and she's wearing her glasses on top of her head. And then we get some dollar bills. We get a lot of dollar bills actually. See, here let me show you. Lots of dollar bills. And we also get $5 bills and $10 bills. So we get quite a lot of money to play. A lot of play money. And then we get coins. Lots of coins. And these are nickels, dimes, and quarters. There's no pennies, but that's okay. And on the back of them, there is either a B for Barbie. There is also Barbie logo with a picture of Barbie. And I thought I saw one more with just the logo. Let me check. Nope, I guess that's it, just the two. That's great. And here we have a basket filled with groceries. It looks like we have a water bottle. We have yogurt, strawberry and banana flavor. Yum. It doesn't open, but it's yogurt. And we get some sunscreen. Cool. And we also get some trail mix. Yum. So we're gonna put all our groceries into this adorable pink glittery basket and get on to our cash register. Now the screen is adjustable. You can adjust it to your liking. I like it right about there. And
hi, it's Barbie.
Each of these buttons say something. So these ones just make realistic sounds like we hear in the regular grocery store. And then this button makes a sound. Well, Barbie talks when we push this button.
Let's go shopping. What are you shopping for today? Can you tell me what my total is? Love that choice. Let's go to the checkout. Isn't it fun? That's a great... What are you shopping for today?
Cool. And then we can turn it off here and then on here.
Hi, it's Barbie.
Okay, here it says Barbie, and we can ring up our trail mix.
Healthy snack. Let's get a yogurt. We're going to the beach. Let's grab sunscreen. Lacey would love to try these new dog treats. Chelsea wants to bake a cake. This nail polish will really make my nails sparkle. Let's get some candy for Ken. I wonder if Nikki and Teresa are in Doll Weekly magazine. Let's get popcorn for a movie night with Stacy.
Yum! So let's go ahead. I almost forgot this button. This button opens up the cash register. So let's go ahead and fill up our cash register with some money. Starting with coins. Lots of coins. I wonder if they're all gonna fit. Let's see, a couple more. Yep. Yay, they all fit. Now on to the money. We're gonna need some for shopping, so I'll leave a couple of $10 bills and put the rest in. I'll leave a couple of $5 bills and put the rest in. And I'll also leave a couple of $1 bills and leave those in. And the credit card, well, I'm keeping that because I'll be paying for my groceries. Now we can start scanning. Okay, what do we have? We have sunscreen.
We're going to the beach. Let's grab sunscreen.
And that's $10. Then we're going to need some water. Oh, looks like water is not on here and we're gonna have to put it in manually. We're going to say that is $2. Then we have some trail mix. Oh, there's that option here.
Trail mix is a healthy snack.
Yes, it is. And we also have some yogurt.
Let's get a yogurt.
And yogurt, oh, I think I forgot to put in the price for the trail mix. We're going to say trail mix is, $8. Oh, let's do like this, $8. And yogurt is,
Let's get a yogurt.
how about $4? Okay, time to pay. So we have some $10 bills, a $5 bill, a $1 bill, and another $5 and a $1 bill. So we're going to pay. And then the remainder of the balance, we're going to pay with our credit card. And I guess we're just going to slide it here. There you go. Okay, well that was fun. Make sure you like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every day. Until next time, bye-bye.